Let's see how to manually trigger flows or subflows in Oracle Financial Cloud. Select All. Navigate to Finance ERP Integration and select ERP Source Configuration. In the ERP Source Configurations list, select Oracle Financial Cloud. In the Integration Services list, select the subflows that you want to manually trigger. Select Run Job to trigger the subflows. Select All, search for Process Automation, and select Workflow Studio from the results. On the Workflow Studio homepage, select the Operations tab to view the details. Select the Flows tab to view the Flows operation details. Navigate back to the Homepage tab. Select the Subflows tab. Select the filter icon next to the application column. Look up the subflow name or Oracle Financial Cloud application name. Select Apply. Select a subflow that you want to manually trigger. You can use the subflow input and outputs as a part of the base system to execute the subflow.